Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I'm in my sunroom again. It is so cold outside. The wind is blowing crazy, so I'm not going out there. But I am going to do no transplant winter sowing in this very well used pot. I think I've used this 3 seasons in a row now. I'm also going to start some more peppers inside. These ones are called scarlet variegated peppers, Christmas bulb pepper, and Big Jim New Mix pepper. And these came from Pam. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Let's have some fun. I'm going to sow these Oriental red poppy seeds into some potting soil in a reused pot, and then I'm going to put reused plastic over the top. Okay, so what I do with these, they're really tiny. See how tiny they are? So I usually put them in my hand, and then I take a little bit and I sprinkle. Okay, we'll do that some more. Just take a little bit and you go back and forth and they come out. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. That's good. Okay, so I've been trying to label a little bit better. This one says Oriental Red Poppy 3-3 potting soil. I'm still reusing the same mattress plastic. So what I do now is I put the plastic on top, and then I take a good long string of twine. I go around the edge, tight as you can. Okay, then now what you do is you take whatever knife you have and you make some good long slits in it. See? It's going to get in all the moisture. Now it's done. Not hard. Since my sweet friend Pam already prepared these for me, so they're already in a plastic bag with a paper towel, I'm just going to use a spray bottle and keep them moist and then put them on top of the refrigerator. These will germinate that way. But the other ones I'm going to germinate in the potting soil mixed with perlite because I don't have any seed starting mix right now. And then I'm going to put them under the lights on a heat mat. This is potting soil with some perlite. And I'm going to do 1, 2, and then I have 2 more of this one. 3, 4. And this one is called the Christmas bulb. And I am going to push them down just a tad. And then I'm going to fill them with even more perlite on top. And then put them under lights. Let me show you where I'm going to put it. I've been doing this to all the indoor flowers and peppers. Most of my stuff goes outside for winter sowing. But this does help keep moisture in where I need it. Okay, so it's going to go, if I can find a spot, under the lights with the humidity dome. Okay, I got these moist, and now they are going to go on top of the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. Well, that was fun. I love playing in my sunroom. It's starting to get full in here. See you later. Bye.